Are you a business owner who is just starting out and want to get found on local search? Then this is when you need local SEO. So in this video, I'm going to share 8 easy actions to help you get more organic traffic and improve your search visibility for local business. If you're ready, let's get started. Hey friends, Grace here and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, I provide SEO and digital marketing tips for business owners or early digital marketers like you. Now let's jump right in. Action number 1, claim your free Google business profile, or formerly known as Google My Business. If you don't know what is Google Business Profile, it is a free tool that allows your business to be searched on Google Search or Google Maps. It's super simple to create a Google Business Profile. Go to business.google.com/create. Keep in mind you need a Google account in order to set up your business profile. Now click Add Your Business to Google. Enter your business name and business category. A tip here is to pick a business category most relevant to your business offering. So this will help Google to understand your business better and display your listing to relevant searches. So for the sake of demo, let's say the business name is ABC Window Cleaning, and now pick Window Cleaning Service as the service category. Click Next. Now, depending if your business has a physical location, you can add an address here. Let's assume yes, and then add your business address details. Next, select your business service area. So here you can add up to 20 service area in order to expand your reach. But however, for the sake of demo, let's just skip this for now. And so now you can add your business phone, contact, and website. For this demo, I'll also just skip it. Then it will ask you if you want to get updates about your business. Click yes. And then you need to verify that you are the owner of the business profile by selecting one of the verification methods. And then you're done. So wait for at least a few days until your business profile get verified from Google. So having a verified business profile is the first important step to get your business noticed on the Google local search. You can also check the analytics from your verified Google business profile. And there are a lot of areas that you can optimize your business profile. For example, including relevant keywords in your profile description, uploading photos, uploading FAQ regarding to your offerings. And this will take up another whole video, and I can talk more about it later. Action number 2, research on the local keywords about your business. In order to improve the search visibility in your local area, you need to understand what keyword people are using related to your target location. And we call these keywords local keyword. There are 3 easy ways to find local keywords. The first one is to use your offering as the seed keywords and to find other relevant keyword ideas in your target location. If you haven't subscribed to any paid keyword tool, the best tool I recommend is Google Keyword Planner because it's free and allows you to find keywords by location. Go to Google Keyword Planner, select Discover Keywords. Type in our offering as the seed keyword, assuming I am doing window cleaning service, so window cleaning will be the seed keyword. Then change the location to your target location, let's say Vancouver. And now you will see a list of relevant keywords that your audience in this area is searching. For example, window washing, residential window cleaning, professional window cleaning. You can also sort by search volume and only pick those that have high search volume and relevance to a business and put them into your keyword pool. The second way is by using this formula for your keyword ideas. Your offering plus target location, or target location plus your offerings. For example, if I run a window cleaning business and I wanted to target the Vancouver area, so window cleaning Vancouver will definitely be one of my target local keywords. And then again, use it as a seed keywords in Google Keyword Planner to generate more other keyword ideas in the Vancouver area. And now you can see some ideas like window washing Vancouver, commercial window cleaning Vancouver. And so also put them in your keyword pool. The third way is to use this formula as the seed keyword, your offering near me. So keyword with near me at the end is a very popular local keyword for users to quickly find relevant business service or product results within their local areas. So make sure you take advantage of this. Again, on Google Keyword Planner, type window cleaning near me. It will pop up lots of relevant keywords that people are using to find window service. For example, window washer near me, local window cleaners. So once you have built your local keyword pool, identify your best target keyword based on the search volume and also the relevance to your business. And then you should include them in your Google business profile and also your website service page. My tip here is also expand your keyword research to other target locations where you also provide your business service so you can expand your pool further. If you want a more detailed step-by-step on how to do a keyword research, also check out my other video in the description. Action number 3, set up your location or contact page on your website. Just like a Google business profile, your location page or contact page gives strong signals to Google where you operate your business and how your customer can contact you, and will be so important to improve your local search visibility, especially if you have a physical location. But keep in mind, if your business operates in multiple locations, you should create a dedicated location page for each location, targeting a specific local keyword. And so what makes a good location page or contact page? Let's take an example. So this top result from Man in Kel's window cleaning for the keyword window cleaning Vancouver. You can see it lands on its Vancouver location page. And for this location page, it not only includes a name, phone number, but also more specific information about this location, like what kind of service provided, specific description, customer reviews, hours of operations, owner information for this store. So depending on your business nature, other information you can add including like parking direction, Google Map directions, or pickup information, etc. And when you click change location, you can see they have multiple locations and each location has a dedicated location page. So a tip here is also to include some popular keywords you find from the keyword research process in previous action so you can increase the relevance, like in this case. Action number 4, submit your business information to the online business directories or industry-specific directories. These directory listings are just like Google Business Profile or Yellow Pages, where they list businesses and classify them into different categories, so helping customers to find relevant business contacts quickly. And very often, those big online directories, they can rank high on Google because of their high domain authority and high traffic. So getting citation on these directories can help you to improve the local search visibility. For example, for this local search query, window cleaning Vancouver, this result on position number 6, the best 10 window washing in Vancouver, is the search result of a business directory from Yelp, which is one of the popular web directories. So some of the core business listing directories include Yellow Pages, Yelp, BBB, which stand for Better Business Bureau, Bing Places, but don't just limit to these directories. Also find out those specific to your industry. If you have some ideas in mind for industry, that's great, but if you don't, I also recommend you can start from searching your target local keywords and see if any top results are actually from those industry directories. For example, this one. House.com ranked in the top 20 for the keyword window cleaning Vancouver, which is a home design and remodeling website. So you can submit your business information to these industry-specific directories in order to improve the local search visibility. Action number 5, get positive customer reviews. Both the quantity and quality of your customer reviews can help Google to determine if your brand is trustworthy and relevant to the user search query. So the more positive reviews that you can get for your Google business profile or for your other business listing, the higher the chance Google can boost up your local search ranking. For example, when I type a local keyword on Google Map, window cleaning Vancouver, you will often see those business profiles with many high-rated 4 to 5 stars review will often get boosted to the top in the results. And therefore, you should aim to get more customer reviews. But how many you need to get really depends on the competitiveness of your industry. And so you can do a simple Google Maps search and get an idea from your competitors. And from experience, even just a few positive reviews can make a huge difference because it is a strong social proof telling Google that you are a quality business and so you deserve a higher search visibility. And alternatively, like the previous example I've shown, you can also put positive customer reviews on your location page to differentiate from competitors, like this one. And my advice is try to get a more unique customer review that is related to that specific location instead of just a really generic customer reviews. So try to contact back a few of your past customers who have a positive experience with your business and ask them to write a positive reviews. I've also included a few message template for you. You can find in the description. Action number 6, optimize the on-page SEO elements for your homepage or service page. Our goal here is to include the relevant location information to those important on-page SEO elements so to improve the local search visibility. If you don't know what are on-page SEO elements, they are the components on your webpage that enable the search engines to crawl and to better understand about your content. For example, the page title, the actual body content, the header text. But keep in mind, for this action to achieve its best result, your service page should only focus on one specific region and has some differentiated localized content, particularly if you have multiple locations, because otherwise it may actually confuse Google and may not able to achieve its expected results. For example, this window cleaning service provider, their offering is only in Vancouver, so it makes sense to add relevant location keywords for the on-page elements like the page title, meta description, and also in the actual body content. So it gives a strong signal that this business is operated in Vancouver. So try to assess your business situation and include relevant location keywords in the page title, description, H1 and H2 tag, body content for your homepage or service page. But don't do keyword stuffing because we want to include keywords naturally that makes the most sense to the audience. Action number 7, get local backlinks. Local backlinks are backlinks from the local websites in your target area that link to your site. So getting more local backlinks can certainly give you a high chance to rank by increasing your page authority in your target area. So besides submitting your websites to those well-known business directories, there are 2 ways that you can acquire more local backlinks. First is to check your competitor backlink profile and get those links. If you're subscribed to any paid SEO tool, you can usually check up their backlink profile. But if you don't, I definitely recommend the Ahrefs free backlink checker, where you can track the backlink for a subdomain or for an exact URL. For example, again, for this top result from the Man & Kel's Vancouver window cleaning, and I want to check the backlinks for their Vancouver service page. So now go to ahrefs.com/backlink checker. Type in the exact page URL from your competitor's site and click check backlinks. Now it will show up to 20 top backlinks profile for your competitors, including what's the referring page, the domain rating, and the anchor tags used. You can tell some are business directories or review sites, and some of them have high domain ratings. And while you will also find some a local blog site like this one, strictlycanadian.ca. So you can also do the same, claim your business on these directories and also outreach to those bloggers and see if they can include your website link in the article with a good story. The second way, which is more passive, is to publish localized content so that you can track local backlinks naturally. For example, if I'm a window cleaning service provider based in Vancouver, some of the localized content ideas could be before and after client stories in specific Vancouver neighborhood, or seasonal window maintenance guide related to Vancouver's weather. So you can think about any popular topics related to your target locations and start from there. But you need to wait for some time in order to acquire these backlinks because, as I mentioned, it's a more passive approach. So also make sure your content is great with unique perspective and you have also taken all the actions we've talked about. So when your local search ranking is start improving, it's also easy for you to get backlinks as you publish these localized content. And bonus tip here is make sure you keep track of your backlink progress using SEO tools, or the Ahrefs free backlink checker is also a good one to start with. The last action, which is a bit technical, is to add the structured data markups to your location page. If you don't know what is structured data markup, it is a set of coding with a standardized format that is added to your web page so that search engines can better understand what is the content. So it's purely for search engines. And from my experience, adding structured markup can significantly boost your search visibility because it gives more evidence to Google what the content is about for that page. So there are different types of structure markups and each one has their own set of views. And when it comes to local SEO, the local business structure markup is the one that you need. It is used to tell the search engine all your important business details. And since it involves a bit of technical knowledge in order to prepare the markup codings, the best way I recommend is to use the structured data markup helper from Google, even if you have minimal technical knowledge. Now go to the markup helper. You will see different types of structure markup. Now select local business, then paste your web page URL. Note this page should be your location page or contact page because they include all the important business details, so they will make the most sense. And now let's use one of the window cleaning service website as an example. Type in the contact page URL and click Start Tagging. Now on the right hand side, you will see a list of fields to insert the values like business name, phone, email, but not all of them are mandatory. Of course, the more values you provide to Google, the better. And as of the latest requirement, the only mandatory ones are your business name and the address. So start highlighting the data on the page and associate them to the corresponding field. For example, the business name is Terry's Window Cleaning Limited. Then highlight it and associate it with the business name field. And then you will see the highlighted values will be displayed on the right-hand side. And do the rest of the fields that have the data showing on the page, like the address, the phone, the email, and let's see if any other data on the page. So since there is no other values we can associate, then we're done. And once you're done, then click Create HTML. Then you will see a script, which is a set of codes, will be generated in the output box. And you can paste them below to the hex section of your HTML so you can successfully install the structured data markup. And then once you implement the markup, also make sure you validate them. You can use the Google Schema Markup testing tool, and I have included the link in the description. And now suppose your web page has implemented markup, then again type in the URL. So you will see the validation results, and if your page has implemented the local business markup correctly, then you should see it appear here without any error message. Alright, so there are a bunch of quick actions that you can do to improve the local search visibility, and make sure you keep track of all important metrics, including your target local keyword ranking, the organic traffic in your target area, and number of local backlinks. I hope you find this video useful. If you have any question, feel free to comment below. If you enjoyed this video, please also give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye now.